In this short video, we will be making a animate carousels which will be automatically changed, right? So I have taken some images here. The first step is to make all images into a frame. Okay, select the image and tap on frame selection. It will be create a frame. Same for the all images. Now select all the images and create two component set. Right. Then one another step is to give paginations. So I'm creating a circle here. I'm giving a black fill. Yes, the black fill. And giving the height of 10 by 10. Right. You can see now. Okay. So what I do, I just quickly duplicate it 4 more times. Okay. Then select other 4. Make it opacity 50%. Right. And do its more other uh, select them all and make group of them. Then repeat this 4 more times. Enter. Zoom in. Take it like from 2 to 222 and make it 285. Yes, same position for all others. Okay, quickly do this. Select the component, go to prototype, select the frame, put the next one. After delay, make it one like 3000. Not instant. Smart animate is out. Like 1000 again here. Do same for the others. Frame, you also have to make a frame. Then go to here, go to assets, click any components. We have created this component, put this component, place the yes. Okay, uh, it's time to check prototype. Okay, images is here it is. Hope you like this, and please follow for more. Hit the subscribe button, like the video. Thank you.